Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with a review of the Amiss Center Console Pad. This is a pad I received on Amazon. I got it for this 2016 Kia Sorento due to the fact I have a little French Bulldog and he's about 30 pounds, but he likes to put his front paws on the center console so he can look out the front window, but sooner or later we're going to start getting claw marks from that. Unfortunately, I wish he wouldn't, but that's what he likes to do. That's his little thing he does. So I bought this to protect my Kia Sorento. Now, the Kia Sorento has a fairly large center console, so this is going to be probably at the max size this pad could take is what's in here, and it's a rather large console in the Kia Sorento, which is probably a mid-size SUV. So, but we're going to have this for years and years to come, so I needed to get something here to protect it and not have it torn up looking. And one of the reasons being is, though it's a 2016, it has a brand new engine in it thanks to the they had the warranty issues with those bad engines, so it got a brand new engine with a lifetime warranty. So I'm sitting on this for a while, so I need to put something like this on here. So like I said, this is probably the max capacity for this pad is putting it on here, but I want to show it at the max size, something the size of Kia Sorento's console. Putting it on was pretty straightforward. Elastic, you just put them on, pull them back, adjust it to where you want them, and that's it. The company claims these are waterproof and spill proof and all that. I could see it, but if you're leaving stuff sitting on your center console that's wet, then you have other problems you're going to have doing that. So waterproof or not, I'm sure it's water resistant. My French Bulldog, I've already tested it. By the time I make this video, I've already had this 2 or 3 months. It hasn't cracked or did anything like that. My French Bulldog, it goes with us a lot of places. He confirms it too by putting his little paws up there, and he has not put any scratches or indentions in my actual center console, and the pad has taken that beating from him instead. So it has worked really well. I think it was a good buy, and it will keep my center console looking new and in good shape for a lot of time to come. Here's a couple pictures of what it looks like. It did add a little bit of comfort, so you got a little more padding than you had before. I really didn't notice it. Anyway, Frugal Panda, thank you for watching. And I hope this helps someone out here that may be needing to protect their center console or just want to add a little more padding. Thanks, everyone. Have a good day.